Today we've come down to the Mapleton waterfall to have a look up on top of Obi Obi Range, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like. You can hear it from the car park, so it should be alright. Plenty of rain, so it should be flowing. Yeah, have a
25 million years ago, volcanoes southwest of Malani erupted, filling the existing valleys with horizontal layers of basalt lava. No! So that's what it is, actual volcanic rock.
No, yeah.
You have to come look at the...
Yeah, we'll get there, darling. Righto, gonna show me that? Just walk, mate, don't run, because it'll be sticky.
It's so scary. Don't run, Jaylee, just
Jaylee,
It's hanging off. Here, you're fine, okay? Here, you're fine. Okay? And now we just put it through. Yeah, you're not going to get...
oh wow, whoa, vertigo.
Yeah. Look for our initials.
Holy
Oh,
stuff.
you need to drive,
Now I don't know whether that'll how good this is going to come out on the video, but
I wouldn't put
in real life it's pretty cracking.
I would not put this in there.
Look at the ferns down in the hole.
120 metres, hey.
Yeah.
Look at all the things that have been dropped. There's that phone. Where? There's like selfie stick. That looks like seeing sight somehow.
No, we don't damage stuff, mate.
I thought you were allowed to put initials.
No. Scrambled it.
Let's see how far this drops.
Oh, look. Look at the one down there. See this one right down as best as far as you can see it. Yeah. See the hole right there.
Well, it was just cracked.
Pretty good.
This is the first actual waterfall I've ever seen.
It's a proper one, yeah. It's nice and flowing too with the rain.
Oh, it's really beautiful. Scared at the
You can see the volcanic layer there, Jules. What are you talking about?
This is a volcano.
This is rather nice. No.
She goes, I said, I'm all right. She goes, no, you're not. You're a nana now.
Not quite. You're almost Nana.
Almost fell out. Oh,
Well, we're going.
out and about. Oh, shit. I'm fucking amazing. Tell me when it bends.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Mine don't. Okay, we're going down. Boots wear boots. I wear thongs. So my name is Boots. Not no, the other way around. My name is Thongs, not Boots.
Right.
I will never be a Boot.
Yeah, it's Jaylee the Explorer because she's a pain in the ass like Dora. Apparently on the map. Who are you, Jaylee? Oh no, I'm backpack, aren't I?
Backpack.
You must be the map.
I must be the map because I'm the one who Googles.
Oh, lucky we had our... Oh, hang on. Lucky we had our substantial footwear on.
Hey,
Lucky I had me substantial footwear on.
you should take the thing of the sign there. It's a substantial footwear. And then
Yeah, I will.
I make a bed out of them. I've not seen my movies. My parents sleep on it. I need the brain, by the way. Yeah.
Alright, so we had a bit of a joke there with our thongs. Said substantial footwear must be worn, or should be worn. Yeah, we didn't have any worries in thongs, but yeah, I can see their point though. It's a bit greasy in that in a few spots. Oh, I bet we just got blinded by the light. Yeah, so if you're going to do that walk, probably put your shoes on. Anyway.
be safe, not stupid.
Still good. My kids are water rats. Look at them. All I want to do is go for another swim. Dad, can we swim here?
I'm not swimming here. I'm washing my hands.
Raja. So it looks like today's turned into a finding waterfalls day. Mapleton Falls, and then this is Whopper Falls at the back of Image Flat, Nambour. Just around the corner from, I'd say it's the backwater actually, the overflow for Whopper Dam. So yeah, no, pretty impressive, especially with the amount of rainfall we've had down on the coast here. I'd say it's made it flow pretty well. Yeah, it's bloody cranking. So yeah, it's worth the drive in here, sure. It's been a cracking day actually.
Did they not notice that a boy found it?
Must be deep, I'd say, eh? Big fucking...
Well, they're going to have to jump because they've got to obviously
That'd be a fucking sweet jump from there, actually. That'd be good fun.
Didn't they know that the boy drowned and died? That's probably why she's scared. That would be fun though.
I want to know where to jump and to be safe. It's just if you hit the rocks or hit your head, slipped off and hit your head and break your neck or something.
The young boy that drowned, it had obviously had a lot of rain. It's flooded.
Mummy, it said that he's having the time of his life.
Having fun.
Well, that was better than not having fun and then dying.
Ooh. Big boy.
I've got to make a big splash.
One of them there's back was fully red, eh? I thought I bet he'd done a back slapper.
Obviously sunburned though, right?
Yeah, that fella there climbing up the blue short.
Sunburned.
Sunburned. I thought I wanted to slap him. Right off the edge.